The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, is responsible for keeping air travel safe. They enforce strict rules about what can and can't be brought through security. Forgetting these rules or trying to bend them can lead to confiscations, delays, or even fines. So, let's break down what you need to know before you go. The usual suspects: weapons. First up, weapons. It's no surprise that firearms, knives, and other weapons top the list. But you'd be shocked by the number of people who forget they have these items in their bags. TSA has confiscated everything from pepper spray to swords and yes, even a grenade. Pro tip: always double-check your bags for sharp objects or self-defense items before heading to the airport. Liquids, gels, and aerosols, the 3-1-1 rule. Now, let's talk about liquids, gels, and aerosols. The TSA 3-1-1 rule is simple. Each liquid must be in a container of 3.4 ounces or less, packed into one quart-sized bag, and you're allowed one bag per passenger. Sounds easy, right? But oversized toiletries like shampoo, perfumes, and even snow globes are frequently confiscated. Remember, exceptions exist for baby formula, breast milk, and prescription medications, but always declare these items at security. Unexpected items. Next, the unexpected. Did you know peanut butter, tools like wrenches, and even certain Christmas ornaments have been confiscated? And it doesn't stop there. Other surprising items TSA confiscates include hairspray cans that exceed the size limit, homemade alcohol, bottles that are not labeled correctly, dynamite replicas or novelty explosives. If it's oversized or could potentially be a risk, it's not going through. Always double-check your items before packing them. Packing smarter. Tips to avoid TSA hassle. Want to avoid TSA trouble? Here are some quick tips. 1. Use travel-sized containers for your liquids. 2. Pack sharp objects like scissors or tools in your checked luggage. 3. Review the TSA list of prohibited items before you pack. TSA also have a "Can I bring?" section on their website to help you out. Final thoughts. By following these tips, you'll save yourself the stress of having your items confiscated. Remember, TSA rules are in place to keep everyone safe. Got questions about what's allowed? Drop them in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Safe travels, and see you in the skies. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips.